Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for sticking around. I've been going through a few things here and there and just trying to get things straightened up here. Still have the spray booth in the room. I got to do some spraying. I owe you guys a couple of videos, mainly on the Ford F100 truck that I'm building for the Mark Batson's Content Creator Challenge. Anyway, this one is going to be a short one. Formula One car. Wonder what that's going to be about. So I've decided to. I finally found one at a decent price. So I'm going to enter the 2026 F1 group build hosted by Tim over at Box Stock Garage and Kyle over at RKD Model Works. Keep getting those two mixed up all the time. Anyway, we know who Kyle is. Great guy. Tim's a great guy too. So anyway, this is going to be my entry, and it's a brand new kit. Let's put that way back there. And as you can see, everything is still packaged up the way it should be. Driver, the tires, and bodywork. And decals. Now the decals look decent. I might coat them before I try using them because this one looks like it might be cracking, but I'm not positive on that. I can get another set if I need to. This is from 1990, so it is an older set. I mean, an older kit. So those decals are suspect at best. But we will try. I might try a little part of the decal set just to see if any if it looks like it's going to work or not. But yeah, so I'm stoked. I got an actual Formula One model kit that I'm going to run with the Formula One group build. So with that, I hope everybody has a great week. Yeah, we had a blizzard this past weekend. That was fun. I know everybody around the country is getting all this weird weather. So hope everybody takes care. Take care of your families. Take care of yourselves. Get bench time in. And most of all, be kind. I will talk to you in the next video. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.